talk about evaporation in our water cycle. Do you know what evaporation means? Evaporation means that a water or a liquid gets turned into a gas or a vapor. So how does that happen? Well, let me tell you. We have something that's really hot up in the sky. You know what it is? It's the sun. So the sun heats up our water, which then turns it into a vapor. That is evaporation. So what are some examples of evaporation that we see every day? How about when our parents are cooking and boiling water on the stove? What do you see when you see the water boiling? You see a steam coming up from the pot. That is evaporation. The water in the pot is being heated up by the stove, which makes it turn into a gas called vapor. Here's another example. I go in the swimming pool and I get out. It's sunny out, but I don't dry off with a towel. I just sit in the chair. What happens when I sit in the chair and the sun hits me? What happens to the water from the pool? It dries. This is another example of how the sun heats my body up that's wet and it makes it dry by evaporating the water off my body. Pretty cool, huh? So there you have our water cycle. Our water cycle starts with our sun, which evaporates the waters from our lakes, our rivers, our oceans, our streams, turns it into condensation, which is little bits of water droplets, which turn it into a cloud, which fills up with the water droplets until it's too heavy, and then it falls by raining back into the lakes and does it all over again. So we have the sun heats the water, which evaporates it into the clouds, and then the clouds get too heavy, and it rains, and it keeps going around in a cycle. That is pretty cool, isn't it? All right, so let's build a water cycle that we can tape to our window and watch for the next few days. Are you ready? All right, so you need a few supplies. I want you to have a Sharpie, a yellow marker, and a blue marker. Some blue food coloring, some water, and a Ziploc bag. So first, using your marker and the Ziploc bag, I want you to draw some water along the bottom. Just like this. So I have my water. And then I want you to draw a sun. Just like that. And then I want you to put a cloud in your sky. Just like that. And then make some raindrops into the water. Just like that. Now you can go ahead and color your sun and your water and your cloud. Alright, so I got my Ziploc bag with my cloud, my rain going into the water here with my sunshine. So now we're going to add some water carefully into our bag. And I want you to make sure that it goes right up to this line. Don't go any further. So there we go. I got my water up to my line. And now I'm going to add 1 drop of blue food dye to my water. Woo! And that makes it blue. So there we have our blue water. Carefully close your bag and then use some tape to tape it up on a window where it'll get some sun. Over the next few days, what you'll notice is that the water begins to evaporate and turn into condensation in our cloud, which then again rains and does the whole cycle again. So just some fun about evaporation and the water cycle. Have a good week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!